Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Project Director ka National Highways Authority of India Anand Singh hakala sgi ublay ulaong baya ka jingya kitrok na ka jingking dwark suon kabalator kala aban sedang biang hadian hinyo sngi hanray ulakren syai batang kitrok kibakit hapo shiphoton kila banyad ya ka ni ulakren hadian bala jurep ya ka te ka jingking dobilan ka jingtwa na kani ka jingking kala pa ka sgi ublay bala pensangi ka jingya kitrok na ka benta shipor Using ulaong ba kakam ban maramot shwa shipor ya kabenta batwa kanang banyada ya kajingtwa kalayad. Ulaong ru bakan shempor kumbah nyos ngi ban shnada ka kenro ha kajaka badan kajingtwa kanang makajingyat kali kan nong biang kumbah julong. Ha kaju kapor ulaong ba na kani kajingking la banya tangki kali ki bakit hapo shiphoton. Ha kabayade ba kajingking thamai ka badang don hapadeng kajingtay using ulaong ba kajing pendap kan nong hapo hendriu benai.
Abutment, some earth has fallen out. We are taking preliminary measures to retain earth as construction of retaining structure. It will take around 5 to 7 days to further to access bridge in regular basis. The heavy vehicle, as per officially, this bridge is for 10-ton capacity of heavy vehicles. So heavy vehicles may be allowed after 7 days, one by one. With the limit as described for this bridge. New bridge is constructed for taking sufficient load, and the new bridge is constructed in a very speedily manner. It will be completed. We are trying to complete this within 6 months.
What will be the cost of that?
Cost will be as per contract. Cost will be there.